Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best solo sprayer parts is probably one of the most essential tools for any homeowner or professional gardener. Whether you're dealing with weeds, pests, or simply want to keep your plants healthy, a reliable sprayer is a must-have. But what happens when your sprayer breaks down? That's where solo sprayer parts come in, ensuring you can quickly and easily repair your sprayer and get back to work. Number 5. Solo 4900170 and 28-inch sprayer wand. Introducing the Solo 4900170 and sprayer wand. It's a universal wand designed for various spraying tasks. This product is a reliable choice for your needs. This sprayer wand is proudly made in the USA. You can trust in its quality and durability, knowing it's built with American craftsmanship. This is a genuine solo replacement part. It ensures a perfect fit and optimal performance for your sprayer, maintaining its original functionality. The wand includes an adjustable nozzle. It allows you to switch between different spray patterns, providing versatility for various applications. This wand is designed to fit most brands. It offers broad compatibility, making it a convenient and practical choice for many users. What we like. This sprayer wand is proudly made in the USA. It comes with adjustable and flat fan nozzles, making it versatile for various spraying tasks. If you are looking for a reliable and adaptable wand for different applications, this is a great choice. What people say. Fits as good as the original one that came with unit. Perfect spray pattern for gardening. Adjustable spray tip works well. The valve comes apart for easy cleaning. The wand has two barb sizes for connection to sprayer hose. No issues putting it to work. Nice positive shut-off when trigger released. Number 4. Solo 4900654P Sprayer Nozzle Assembly. Introducing the Solo 4900654P Sprayer Nozzle Assembly. It's designed to fit most solo manual sprayers. This assembly comes with a standard nozzle assortment. This nozzle assembly is compatible with all solo manual sprayers. However, it does not fit the 400-1G, 405B, 405N, and one-hand sprayers. Make sure it is the right one for your sprayer. The package includes a standard nozzle assortment. It provides different spray patterns for various applications. You can choose the best one for your needs. It features adjustable plastic nozzles, including jet stream, flat fan, and hollow cone options. This allows you to customize the spray for different tasks. You can easily adjust it to get the desired spray pattern. This is a genuine solo replacement part, ensuring quality and compatibility. Using this part will keep your sprayer working like new. It's a reliable choice for your sprayer. This product is proudly made in the USA. You can trust the quality and durability of this product. It is built to last. What we like. It includes a standard nozzle assortment, providing flexibility for different spraying needs. The adjustable nozzle allows for precise control over the spray pattern. If you need a comprehensive nozzle set for your solo sprayer, this assembly is perfect for you. What people say. Did the job as it should. Works well. It works much better than the original, although it looks identical. Direct fit, good spray pattern. Number 3. Solo 4800170P Sprayer Shutoff Valve. This is the Solo 4800170P Sprayer Shutoff Valve. It's a professional quality replacement part designed for your solo sprayer. This valve ensures optimal performance and control. The valve fits all solo sprayers, excluding one-hand sprayers and the ECS series. It's a versatile component, making it a great choice for various solo models. Built with professional-grade materials, it guarantees durability and reliability. You can trust this valve to withstand demanding use. It features both lock-on and lock-off functionalities for ease of use. These features provide added convenience and control during operation. This is a genuine solo replacement part, ensuring a perfect fit and function. Using this part will maintain the integrity of your sprayer. This product is proudly made in the USA. It represents quality craftsmanship and supports American manufacturing. What we like. This shut-off valve is built with professional quality. The lock-on and lock-off features provide convenience and control during use. If you value ease of use and reliability in your spraying tasks, you should consider this. What people say. I only buy Solo sprayers because they are constructed well, work well, and I love how you can service them. One sprayer can last years if you learn how to replace the parts as they wear. This size is great because it's not too heavy to carry around for hours and holds enough to cover a good amount of area before needing to reload. It works just like it should. Easy to install. Perfect fit. Works as expected. Number 2. Solo 4900647 P29-inch sprayer wand. This 21-inch stainless steel wand and shut-off valve assembly is designed for those difficult spots. It helps you get the coverage you need where you need it. The stainless steel flat fan nozzle ensures consistent coverage. It provides an even spray pattern for effective application. It includes a stainless steel filter screen and a hose clamp. These components are built to last, providing reliability. The commercial shut-off valve features lock-on and lock-off functionality. This gives you control and convenience during use. It has a combination of 3 8-inch and 1/4 hose barb and clamp. This allows easy connection to most backpack and tank sprayer hoses. Installation is straightforward. Just cut the old valve, slide the clamp, insert the barb, and tighten. This is a genuine Solo replacement part. It is also TJET compatible, ensuring quality and compatibility. What we like. This sprayer wand features a durable stainless steel construction. It is TJET compatible, expanding your nozzle options. If you need to reach difficult areas and require a robust, high-quality wand, this is the one for you. What people say. The Solo sprayer parts fit perfectly and were easy to install. The product was exactly what I needed to repair my sprayer and get it working again. The parts were of good quality and seemed durable. Number 1. Solo 0610411K Sprayer Repair Kit. This is the Solo 0610411K Sprayer Wand Shut-Off Valve Repair Kit. It's designed to fix your sprayer. This kit includes all the necessary seals and O-rings. This repair kit fits all Solo sprayers, except for the ECS series. It's a versatile solution for many Solo models, ensuring a proper fit and function. You don't need any tools to install this kit. The design makes it simple to replace the parts. It's a quick fix to get your sprayer working again. This kit contains genuine Solo replacement parts. You can trust the quality and durability of these components. They are made to the exact specifications of your sprayer. This product is proudly made in the USA. It meets high-quality standards. This kit is a reliable choice for your sprayer repair needs. What we like. This repair kit includes all the necessary seals and O-rings. It requires no tools for installation, making maintenance simple. If you like a quick and easy solution for maintaining your sprayer, this kit is ideal. What people say. I only buy Solo sprayers because they are constructed well, work well, and I love how you can service them. Works flawlessly now. Fit like it said. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.